two dongles in here, one that connects to whatever you're transmitting from in 4K, and the other just connects to whatever you're going to transmit to. All right, here we are with the TV waiting for us. I have this new HYDRFLOW dongle. So do you have a great TV that you love and you want to share, let's say, your favorite YouTube videos with a buddy, and you just want to cast it from your phone, but it's always a pain in the neck to connect? This new HYDRFLOW, I'm going to call it a HYDRFLOW dongle, should make that process much easier. What do you say we unbox this thing, plug it in, and see if it's as easy as it's supposed to be? Amazing thing today. See what's going on there? This is ridiculously cool. These are the HYDRFLOW connectors. Now there are two dongles in here, one that connects to whatever you're transmitting from in 4K, and the other just connects to whatever you're going to transmit to. I had intended to do this outside because it always drives me crazy with those projectors to hook up to your house's Wi-Fi or your accounts to be able to stream video is kind of creepy. But this, you just attach one dongle here, attach the other dongle to the transmitter, or in this case the TV, and instantly, you don't have to pair it, you don't have to do anything, it just instantly shows up on the screen. It is so cool and so easy. I can't wait to do that outside. It's pouring, so that's why we're inside doing this here. Let me show you the other cool thing about this. Kind of universal, hooked up by USB-C right now, going to the screen right there. It also has a zillion other adapters for pretty much everything you could want to do. Obviously, it is HDMI, like generically, you just plug in any HDMI, boom, 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 and it works. You cannot possibly go wrong with this thing. The only little wrinkle I do need to tell you is you do need to supply power to the dongle behind whatever you're transmitting to. When you plug in with your USB-C to your laptop or phone, it automatically picks up the power there. But this one I had to connect the USB-C to power it, just to know it doesn't come with that. We all have 10,000 of those, so that's not a big deal. If you want to get this, there's a link here on the screen or down in the description. It doesn't cost you anything extra to use those links. I'm assuming I brought some value to you. You're still here. Remember to give this a like to show us that. Subscribe to the channel so you get more cool content like this in the future. If you have any thoughts on it, let me know. I might be able to answer any questions if you have those. I hope this was helpful. See you in the next video.